Hey guys, what is up? I am Justice, and this is my YouTube channel. This is going to be my second video. This is my Kink Launch 2013 model. The only thing that isn't stock are the chain, the brake cable, the pegs. Oh yeah, I have pegs. Bright light. So yeah, my pegs, brake system. No, bad wheel. I got this from Gonracin BMX, my local BMX connection. But yeah, here's my BMX bike. Pretty good, I guess. Fine, good. Transportation. I'm just kidding. I'm not fucked up, but yeah. I'm trying to go pro on BMXing here soon, and even though I'm only 13. But I have stock mission rims. No way. Nope, aftermarket mission rims. I think it's a stock Eco Mission hub, or it's an aftermarket Eco Mission hub, but yes. Either one is great. But yes, I have been grinding lately. Whoa. So yeah, here's my front rim. I'm gonna clean that soon though. So, these are my bearings. They're so pretty. Mission. Yeah, so I won't be saying mission. I'm gonna get some aftermarket Shadow Ravager rims from my friend, and they're also black and purple, and they're aftermarket, and they are at Gonracin BMX. If you live in Oregon, this is where you can get these bikes, and you'll see me rolling around town somewhat. So yeah, that's enough focus on my front tire. Let's move on to my back. Oh yeah, I have the purple KMC, or some people call it the purple stock KMC chain, which is exactly what it is, because on some stock bikes they come with these kind of chains. I have it loose enough, and I have the Mission Cypher 25T. That's a little rusted. That's not good. It's not good. Not good at all. But yeah, same back rim as my front, and I have the Mission Function hub. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there it is. And then now let's start with it. Let's go, buddy. Whoa. This is 25. Wait, turn over 2. As you see, it is very, very loud. So I have double wall rims. Yeah, I have aftermarket X7. What the hell does this come from? Oh yeah, everyone was really dirt today. So yeah, here's my bike check. Here's my brakes. I have a split brake system. Soon I will have some shadow pedals, crank arms, shadow halfling chain, shadow white wall undertakers, shadow revenge rims, shadow forks, shadow bars, and a Colt's top loader, I think. Colt seat clamp, if they have it, an animal micro seat, and the Aeronos Odyssey keyboard, or whatever the hell you call it, seat, pivotal. Then I'm gonna get the the ODI soft, Odyssey trigger lever, and the Colt top loader from Gonracin PMX, and some concealed bearings. So yeah, here's my mic check, guys. Bye.